study about transport system. One of the major organ in our body, in human body, we have a heart. Heart is a part of transportation. It will be the pump of blood. It will be transfer of material from one part to another part of our body. So this is one of the basic structure of our heart. Our heart have a 4 chambers. Upper side they have a atrium, and in the lower side they have a ventricles. Ventricles always be pump the blood. Okay, and now we discuss about their all circulation of blood. We know that in human being have a double circulatory system. What is the meaning of double circulatory system? Just I will define here. Double circulatory system, how they are work, why the human being or the mammals or the vertebrate mammals, vertebrate animals, everyone who know we are called a double circulatory system. And some is like fishes which are living in the water. These are single circulatory system. So what is different between double circulatory system and single circulatory system? We now discuss about one by one within a full detail. Okay? And also we know that I will just prepare in lungs. This is our lung, and suppose this is our body. Everyone who know that when our blood are used, our organ, the blood is also known as deoxygenated blood. When our body use a blood, deoxygenated blood, you know that गंदा खून जिसे हम कहते हैं, हमारी बॉडी जब ब्लड को यूज कर लेती है, हमारे टिश्यूज जब ब्लड को यूज कर लेते हैं तो वो खून गंदा हो जाता है. The blood are called deoxygenated blood. Which blood? Deoxygenated blood. This blood for the clinic purpose, साफ होने के लिए ये ब्लड हमारे पास हमारी बॉडी से निकलकर कहां पर आती है? लेफ्ट एट्रियम, राइट एट्रियम इसे रिसीव कर लेता है. The deoxygenated blood first of all received by left atrium, right atrium, and the blood come from the body. This vein, this pathway are called vein. And we know that on a pathway of deoxygenated blood, this pathway are called vein, जहाँ पर सारा के सारा deoxygenated blood flow कर रहा होता है हमारी complete body में. Body से deoxygenated blood सबसे पहले receive करता है right atrium, then return back the right atrium. Blood pump into the ventricle, then the ventricle push the pump, and also we know that the ventricle always to pump the blood. Which blood? Deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood pump the ventricle, right ventricle pump the blood into lungs. Lungs is a factory. What is this? Factory. Why we are called this is a factory? This is a cleaning factory जहाँ पर हम सफाई करते हैं. किस चीज की सफाई? खून की सफाई. जहाँ पर हमारे पास deoxygenated blood ऐड हो चुका होता है लंग्स के अंदर. अब इनकी जो कंप्लीट डिटेल है इस फैक्ट्री की, इस लंग्स की, वो हम ऑलरेडी पढ़ भी चुके हैं पिछले चैप्टर्स में, और इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट आपकी जो क्लासेस होंगे उसमें हम रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम को भी विद इन एक्सप्लेन एंड डिटेल से पढ़ेंगे कि यहाँ पर खून की सफाई कैसे होती है. हाउ द ब्लड विल क्लीन इन द लंग्स, इनसाइड द alveoli the oxygen is added and the carbon dioxide is removed from our body. by inhalation and exhalation. How they are formed? This is another topic. So left this topic. Next, when a blood is remove the carbon dioxide, गंदा खून, गंदा गैस जो हमारे ब्लड के अंदर पहले मौजूद था, अब वो यहाँ से बाहर निकल चुका है, लंग्स के जरिए बाहर निकल चुका है। अब यहाँ पर हमने ऐड कर दिया ऑक्सीजन को। अब यहाँ पर हमारे पास हमारा जो ब्लड है, इस ब्लड वेसल्स के थ्रू ब्लड साफ हो चुका है। अब ये यहां से डायरेक्ट आएगा कहां पर? The blood will return, receive the left atrium. Left atrium. Understand this topic?
Yes.
Left atrium receive the oxygenated blood. Receive the oxygenated blood first of all on a left atrium, then the left atrium will push the pump into ventricle. Which ventricle? Left ventricle, and the left ventricle return the blood and to pump the blood over all body by the help of aorta. By the help of what?
Aorta.
What is the meaning of aorta? Aorta is one of the largest. Aorta is one of the largest wall of our body. Okay. This is an aorta wall. हमारे जिस्म की सबसे बड़ी जो है वो एओर्टा कहलाती है। ये वो एओर्टा है जहां से हमारे पास ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड कंप्लीट बॉडी में भेज दिया जाता है विद अ फुल प्रेशर। ये प्रेशर कौन क्रिएट कर रहा है? वेंट्रिकल। कौन सा वेंट्रिकल? लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल प्रेशर क्रिएट करता है। कौन सा प्रेशर क्रिएट करता है? सिस्टोलिक एंड डायसिस्टोलिक। इट इज वन ऑफ द another topic, and inshallah we will be detailed on fully focus on a next lecture. Systolic pressure and diastolic pressure is what, how they are created. So यहाँ पर प्रेशर क्रिएट होता है। ये जो हमारे पास वॉल है एओर्टा, ये जो बेसिक 3 वॉल्स है, ये हमारे पास हेड रीजन को ब्लड सप्लाई करवाते हैं। कौन सा रीजन? हेड रीजन में blood supply होता है, and the other one, this artery, this vein are called where the oxygenated blood flow and to transport the material in our body from one tissue to another tissue. So this vein or this pathway are called artery. They will be transport the material, transport the blood in our body, each and every tissue. So once a vessels have oxygenated blood, these vessels are called artery. Once a blood have deoxygenated, जिसमें गंदा खून पाया जाता है, उस वेन्स को हम कहते हैं, उस पाथवे को हम कहते हैं वेन। And once you may difference between on those veins. Here these two pathway, this one and this one, which one is arises from the lungs and which one arises to the lungs. These true pathways, you know that their name, because every student will be confused on those pathways, because here their name was so opposite than the other body parts. We already know that this vein where the deoxygenated blood flow, this vein or this pathway are called vein, but here I will say that this one is pulmonary artery. Am I right or wrong? What is the meaning of pulmonary? Anyone guess?
Lungs.
Yes, of course. It is one of the scientific name of lungs. Everywhere you can see the pulmonary. Pulmonary name is this. Pulmonary is one of the scientific name of lungs. Everywhere you can see the pulmonary. Pulmonary is one of the identification of lungs. So that's why this pathway which arises from the heart to the lungs, this pathway is called pulmonary artery, and is the opposite this pathway. You know that where the oxygenated blood flow from the lungs to the heart, this pathway are called pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein. Okay? Yes. Why these are called pulmonary vein? Because they are arising from the lungs to the heart. So that's why their name are oppositely with another parts of our body. इसलिए हम इसको pulmonary vein कहते हैं कि ये लंग से arise हो चुके होते हैं. ये हमारी कंप्लीट बॉडी से ऑपोजिट इनके नाम दिए गए हैं. क्यों दिए गए हैं? कि हमारी बॉडी के अंदर बाकी जो आर्टरीज हैं उसमें ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड फ्लो कर रहा होता है. ठीक है? और यहाँ पर जो वेन है, आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है कि हमारी बॉडी के अंदर उस वेन उस पाथवे का नाम बताएं या उस वेसल का नाम बताएं जहाँ पर ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड फ्लो कर रहा हो. तो आप लोगों ने नाम बताना है पल्मोनरी वेन. एंड इसी के ऑपोजिट आपसे पूछा जाए कि जिसमें डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड फ्लो कर रहा हो उस आर्टरी का नाम बताएं, सो आप लोगों ने बताना है पल्मोनरी artery. So this is one of the double circulatory system. Why we are called double circulatory system? Double circulatory system mean that our blood receive two types of blood. Receive two types of blood. Number one, first time they will receive a deoxygenated blood. Okay, and second time they will receive oxygenated blood. दो मर्तबा हमारा दिल खून रिसीव करता है. कितने मर्तबा? दो मर्तबा ये ब्लड रिसीव करता है. सो इसलिए हम इसको डबल सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम का नाम देते हैं. जबकि जो अदर हैंड में हमारे पास एक्वेटिक लाइफ में रहने वाले जानदार हैं, लाइक फिशेस और रेप्टाइल अदर एक्सेट्रा, सम रेप्टाइल्स में भी हमारे पास सिंगल सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम पाया जाता है. ठीक है? वहां पर जस्ट वंस अ टाइम heart receive the blood and they will pass through the another tissues. Okay, their circulation and their system we will be studying inshallah our next lecture. So within this lecture, anyone any question to ask me directly, no one can feel some kind of shame. Yes, any question? So this is one of our double circulatory topic, double circulatory lecture. Inshallah further we will be discuss the other system, systolic, diastolic and single circulatory system, and more about their transport system with lectures and their detail. Okay, so finish them.